Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to remove noise in your audio track in Adobe Premiere Pro. So for example, you need to choose your audio track. So I'm going to do the single selections and then go to Effect tab, and here just type noise. So you can see these options: denoise, de-reverb, de-hummer. So I'm going to use this denoise and click and drag it here on the audio track. So I'm going to drop it here, and under effect controls, right, you can see this, the denoise effect, and here we need to click on this edit, and just you need to play around whether the noise is removed with the presets. So this is the default one, and you can choose heavy noise reductions or light noise reductions. So also you can choose the focus, or you can apply it manually to reduce the noise and play your audio track. Whether noise is removed, then it's fine. So that's it, friends. That's it, friends. This is the way you can reduce the noise or remove the noise in Adobe Premiere, okay, in your audio track. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedback to me. Thank you. Bye and take care.